Yan, what's up sa inyo guys. Yun, so makikita nyo sa aking paligid guys is hindi gaano ka maganda ang araw ngayon, is mayroon po siyang partly cloudy. So expected na marami itong rain showers this coming. Right now is June, kasi yun na nga is rainy season nata ngayon, hindi na yung hot season na kagaya ng May and April na sobrang init talaga, sobra. Pero ngayon is thankfully mayroon na siyang ulan at ito mayroon ng sapat na tubig na gagamitin. Inday Borakdat. Hello guys. Yan, so tapos na po sa pag cook rice yun. So karon is I'm going to relax for a few minutes because starting shaking my hands and also my sister. What are you watching, Inday? What are you watching? Salita, what are you watching? Kinkoy. Look at that. She's so very enjoying watching. So that's my sister. So yeah, have a standby again. Thank you.
I don't want to put some damn videos because the man getting demonetized, and then I don't want to put this in the goddamn YouTube.
Why?
Because this video that I'm recording is just unreal. Anyway, I gotta go outside, cut some grass, so see you later.
Okay, bye bye. Take care. God bless. Hey, what's up, guys? So it's back again. Louis vlogging. We're going to vlog these days, and yeah, I have no one to do because my body's here. She's going to washing her clothes. And me is I am totally.
Is it necessary you gotta say that damn thing? Can you just cut the video, please?
Oh my god. I'm so nosebleed. I don't know what did you say. I don't know. I'm awkward. So yeah. Right now is around 20 degrees Celsius. No. Just like oh yeah, 20 degrees Celsius in the heat index here in the Philippines part in Mindanao is 43. So yeah. Still hot. So okay, so but the good thing is we have a little bit rain showers, so thumbs up for me. Oh, where are you going?
Guys, gotta go now. Just go outside.
Okay, let's watch your clothes or whatever. So that is your clothes already?
No.
Hmm.
It's just so weird.
Hey, how about this? This is your clothes also?
No, it's not mine. That's my other stuff, you know.
Look at that. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Look at that. Very yummy. Very yummy pig. Pig sat. Let's begin na. So, first process to wash your goddammit clothes. So, all you have to do is
This is not a tutorial, guys. This is just for. Oh, I have to clean this guy.
to do right now.
So I clean this machine.
You're cleaning the mess.
Yeah.
Super messy.
cleaning the damnness, everything left for, I don't know how long this lays, everything left. So it's used for a lot.
Wow. That is the easy part, to clean the mess. But the hard, all of it is this.
Wait a minute.
Yeah. Very good weather right now, folks. Ah, Manoke. Hello, Manoke. Yummy. Okay, so as of now, so still processing to cleaning the stains. So under Mark maintenance. Means professional cleaner.
Huh? Toothbrush.
Okay. So there have some problem, guys. What kind of toothbrush? Toothbrush like.
Toothbrush to use, not brand new. Okay.
Ah, okay, use.
This section because I'm playing music that you may gonna risk.
Ah, it's fine. Copyright is always there. Okay. I got you. Copyright is it's natural. But I will whatever. So what is the next step? Filling. Filling. Okay. So where's the water now? Water? Oh my god. Okay. We open the valve. Okay, there it is. Oy. Okay guys, so I think we're going to end this vlogs for today, and have a good one. Louis Vlogging sign off, and please don't forget like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope you like it. And yeah, that's all. And Louis Vlogging sign off. Pew.